Okay, this is Andy, and I want to show you guys now how to start the engines if the fob is not present. Basically, all you need to do is enter a pin code in on this start panel. So from the factory, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll press in 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a little chirp to show I entered it in correctly. Center LED is blinking green to show it's unlocked, and I now have access to these buttons. I press the on/off once. Turns the ignition on. Again, solid orange light indicating ignition on. And now I simply press the start button to sequentially start the engines. Okay. Now if you notice, the center LED is blinking orange and we're getting a beeping noise. For 5 seconds it will beep and then it will turn solid red. What it's doing right now is it's searching for the fob, and since the fob isn't here, it's trying to tell you that if you fall overboard, since the fob is a wireless lanyard, it is not going to shut the engine off because it's not detecting the fob. So that procedure right there where you got 5 beeps and it went solid red is normal. Shut the engines off, I simply press the on/off.